Hey teachers, I'm going to show you how to use GradeTransfer to grab student grades from Google Classroom. We're going to get started in the Grades tab. This is one of the areas where you can grab. In this area, you can grab numerical grades. So the first thing you're going to want to do is find the column of the assignment where you want to grab student scores and click into one of the numerical cells of that column to select it. From there, go to GradeTransfer, click the big green Grab Data button, and voila! A pop-up summary will show you the names and the grades of the student scores that were retrieved. If this information looks good to you, you can take it over to your next gradebook to fill it in. Now, let's say you want to grab this overall grade column in the Grades tab. This is first of all a setting that you will need to turn on under your class settings. Once this is turned on, if this is something that you wish to grab, go to GradeTransfer, click on the hamburger button, and go to Advanced Settings. In here, navigate to Custom Overrides. Under the Custom Overrides section, scroll down and find Google Classroom Grab Overall Grade column. When this is on, and you grab in the Grades tab of Google Classroom, it will grab the overall column if an assignment column is not clicked. So if this is what you want to do, you can turn this on, make sure that you save your settings, and let's navigate back to our grades area. Now, if I'm clicked into this column, I will grab from this assignment. But if I click out of it, and let's clear my information, let's try grabbing again. Voila, the student grades were grabbed from the overall column. A little notification will tell me that this is the case, and I can see that my student names and scores match their overall grade. I can take this information and fill it into my next gradebook. Now let's take a look at another view in Google Classroom where we can grab, which is the student work or assignment view. There's lots of ways to navigate there, but one of them is just to click on the title of the assignment, and voila, you will see your student work and their scores. To grab this information, go to GradeTransfer and click the green Grab Data button. And by default, numeric scores will always be grabbed. Now you might notice though on this page, there are some other types of scores like missing. You also might see scores like turned in, excused, or a check mark, especially for those assignments where no points are attributed to the student work. If you want to grab these types of scores, GradeTransfer can do that. Open up GradeTransfer and click on the hamburger button. Look to convert check and text grades and toggle that to on. GradeTransfer will tell you that you can use the score converter feature to transfer these scores using certain rules that you can set up if you'd like. It will open that page up to set those rules up, and I'll show you more in a minute. But before we do that, let's just go back and see what it looks like to grab while convert check and text grade is turned on. So we click the green button, and voila, our student names and their scores, text or numeric, both are grabbed. If we want to set up special rules and, for example, transfer missing as a 0, or check mark as 100, or excused as 100 or 10 points, whatever you wish, you can do that in the score converter under advanced settings. On the left side, type in the score as it is grabbed, for example, missing. And then on the right side, type in what you want it to transfer as. If you don't want missing transferred at all, leave the right side completely blank. That will not be grabbed or transferred. Let's say you want missing to be a 0, type that in and add it. At the bottom, you will see a table of your saved score conversions. When the score converter is turned on, these score conversions will apply. So let's go back and take a look. Going to clear. Let's grab, we can see our score converter is on. And voila, our student scores that were missing were grabbed as a 0. Like we said, the score converter is on and we have that rule set, as well as our other numeric scores are grabbed too. And that is how you use GradeTransfer in the grades view and in the student work view. That's all for now. Happy transferring.